Right, so how does this code work? I'll show you. We have here all the code for this website, and I'm using the materialized JavaScript and CSS framework, a bit like Bootstrap if you know what web development. And here we are. So when you enter a tag here inside the main thing here, we'll just quickly see if we can have this up here. Cool. So when you insert your tags here, which is, if you have a look, we see what's being highlighted here. This row here, this text area, yeah. And when you press add tags, some JavaScript happens. So if we go down to the bottom, on submit the add tags button, click, it will take the value of the input, it will take the string, and it will replace all line breaks, all white space, and all line breaks, and it will replace it with a space, and then it will take the actual string and split the string. Wait, what is that doing? Oh yes, yeah, it will split the string at every comma, so it will turn it into a bunch of into an array. It will then set the number of removed so far to 0, and set the result to blank, and set a color to 1, and get the array length of all the different values. Now it's going to loop through all of the values in the array, and if the length of the value is, or of the tag is longer than 29, it will remove it and add 1 to the remove score. And if it isn't over 29 characters long, then what it will do, it will make sure there's no it'll make sure there's a character in it and it's not just white space. And then it will what it will do there, if it's color number 1, it will set a blue grey one. If it's color number 2, it'll do pink. Color number 3, do blue. 4, cyan. 5, orange. 6, deep purple. And then it will add 1 to the color tag for the next time. And if it's on 6, it will also set it back to 0. So next time it goes back up there. And if it does have doesn't have any characters in it, it will add 1 to the remove score. So what this is doing here, this is appending this code onto this div over here, the tags div, and I'll show you what that looks like. If we insert this and quickly put some text in here and refresh this, you see that's what a tag looks like. And we can now get rid of that, and you'll see it's gone. Cool. So now, and then for once you've got the tags into the area here, you can see it's counting the amount of characters and putting them back in here, and when you click one, it removes it. So the way it's doing that, which is quite clever, it's making an array called elements, and for every thing, now I call it thing, but the thing is the text is a tag around each tag. So the letters in each tag have a thing tag around them. So thing plus the name of the tag, close thing. So we can cycle through every single tag name, and what it will do, it will push, it will add the HTML inside each thing we're looking at and put that on the end of the array, and then it will get the length of the array again. It will go loop through all of them, and if the result, on the first attempt it won't add a comma, and on the second attempt it will, on the first attempt, sorry, it will just start with that, and on the second attempt it will add a comma and then add the next one. Now info remove class. Okay, if there's over 500 characters, which I can't really demonstrate now, I don't know if I can get 500 characters quickly. No, I can't. I'll have to copy and paste this quickly, add those. Alright, we can see there's over 500 characters here, and then what it's doing here is it's removing red text and green text from the class of info, and then if the length is over 500, then it's going to add red text class to it. If it's less than 500, it's going to add green text class to it, and I might change that later. And then it will take the result and the array length and stick them in here, like so, and also take the result and stick it back into this result text area. Yes, it's pretty complicated, and the way we update them every time we click on a tag, like so, is we do document.click. So every time the screen is clicked, if we load, you can see it doesn't do anything yet. If we click, it will update it. So every time we click, it will call the refresh. So that's why it does it every single time, which is pretty awesome. So yeah, thanks for watching this, pretty long video, 14 minutes long. But yeah, I hope you use this tool. I'm really bad at making videos, I know. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and this has been Dan from the Black Thunder First Lego League channel, and yeah, I hope you use the tool. See ya.